Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Surya, and in this video I'm gonna talking about the 3 best websites for freelancer to get clients in 2021. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Well, the very first website that you can consider is People Per Hour. Okay, so People Per Hour is very popular freelancing sites. It is also known by PPH. Okay, so in this website, earning money is very common, or you can earn money very easily because number 1, very less freelancer knows about this website. Number 2, very less number of freelancer visit this website. Okay, and yes, one most important thing, थोड़े कम clients visit करते हैं इस website में, तो sometimes मुश्किल हो जाता है काम मिलना. Okay, but if you are doing something different from others, then definitely you will be getting work here very easily. Okay, and the best part about this People Per Hour website is that it recommends the new freelancers, and if once PPH recommends you, then the probability of getting work becomes very high. Okay, so that's why according to me you have to consider this site to do freelancing work. Well, the second website is going to be Guru. It is also a professional or a popular freelancing website. Okay, so it is same like Fiverr, because here you can build your projects, or you can also post the jobs on your profile. Okay, Fiverr, PPH, Guru has the unique features on which people visits your profile and provides you job. This Guru site is popular for content writer. I mean, many clients visit this website in search of content writer, and they used to offer for content writing. So you can consider this website Guru to just get clients very easily. Okay, and if you're a beginner, then you must go with this website Guru. Well, the third website is called freelancer.com. Okay, so freelancer.com is very popular website for freelancer. Okay, and most of the freelancer around the world work here, and it is a global website and it works on 190 countries. Here most of the users are from India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Okay, so the probability of getting work here is very high. Well, initially you will find difficulty, but after getting 1 or 2 work, then it will be easier to get clients. Okay, so make sure initially आप अपने आप को जितना advertise कर सकते हो उतना करो. Okay, on different platforms. और if you want to know कि कहाँ advertise करने से आपको अच्छा result मिल सकता है, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video about that topic. Okay, so this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button. And if you have any query related to all these websites, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and as you can see my Instagram handle, go and follow me there. So bye bye, stay motivated and peace out.